Hey everyone, Jay and Evan TeBrake here with Truck Transport, just coming to you with another update. We're looking at just talking a little bit about winter 2022, what we're seeing so far this year, and just kind of going to give you a little insight into what we deal with, what our drivers deal with when it comes to working in cold temperatures. So I'll just start off a little bit about what we're seeing with the market, demand for equipment. We've rolled pretty hot and heavy into 2022, seeing a lot of demand for equipment, people wanting it yesterday. There is just seems to be a lot of activity, a lot of commotion in the industry. Still seeing a little bit of the delays on the new equipment, not getting parts in so that they can get these units moving. So I would say in general we're seeing a higher volume of the used equipment continuing to move here as well. Over the years we're probably seeing just a slight increase in activity, especially in the applications side, even right through the winter months. Generally there may have been more of a lag, not for too long, but that has kind of went away now. So in general we've been very busy. With the colder weather across the board, you kind of tend to see more delays in general, which also just bumps people's schedules back. So that higher volume of freight that needs to be moved kind of ends up being a bit of a domino effect, and things start to stack up a little bit more easily this time of year.
Yeah, like Evan is saying, with the cold temperatures at the factories in particular too, it makes it hard to get the machines started. And just for them to move them around their facilities from time to time in the manufacturing process takes longer. But then from our aspect of pre-planning with the dealerships and factories to come in to load the machinery, to make sure the machines are plugged in, have adequate fuel, winter blend fuel in them so that they will run once they fire, is some of the things that we have to work through. Also, in transporting from a warmer climate into the colder areas, we also have to be talking with the customer to make sure if they want us to put some 911 product in the tank, or a house or power service, and also winter blend fuel, so that when we do get to their location, that they can get it started and get it off the trailer as well. And then the drivers too just have to be very much in contact with them to get there during an appropriate hour of the day, so that the customer has time to work with getting it off during daylight hours.
Thanks for joining us today. Hope that we maybe helped you learn a little bit more about some of the winter weather and how that affects the trucking industry, and specifically what we do dealing with equipment.